Hello friends, today I'll show you how to database connect in PHP. Today I'll show you procedural method. So let's start. So first of all, I assign the variable server name, localhost, then username, root, then password, empty. Because of my local server password is empty. Okay, so now new variable, just connection variable, then method mysqli connect method. Now server name, username and password, 3 parameter. Then just check if connection, then just message print will be here, connection failed. MySQL connect error. There will be show the error message if I face any error. Then echo successfully connection. That's it. Now we can check. Yes. Now if I change the message and reload here, yes, it's working. So thanks for the watching. It's that easy you can do. And if you want to use this code, then you can take this code. So thank you for the watching. Bye bye.